So first stop is going to be Yamuna, and then the cabinet meeting that is going to take place at 7 p.m. Sources have revealed that in the first cabinet meeting, which is slated to be held at 7 p.m. today, CAG reports will, which were not tabled by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government, in fact, are going to be released and tabled. A decision will be taken to table them on the floor of the House in the first session. Sources also say that Ayushman Bharat, which was blocked in Delhi, will be implemented with 10 lakh health cover. Let me quickly go across to Isha for more on that. So, key decisions to be taken in the first cabinet meeting.
Right, Swati, absolutely. In fact, key decisions, as you were also pointing out, will be taken in the cabinet that will be taking place shortly. In fact, it is also being suggested that portfolios may also be announced later, but there is no clarity as to it right now. But you can see currently on our screens, on our frame, you can see that both these machines are currently working, are currently cleaning the Yamuna, and also the ghat that we are at, Swati. This is Kashmiri Gate. This is a place where it's buzzing with pollution, it's buzzing with activity. In fact, request my camera person Harish to also show you the kind of traffic that comes here. So definitely this area is hustling and bustling with activity. So and you can see here there is absolutely no toxic foam that has emerged here. In fact, we have seen in the past that during Chhath, during festivals, and as the temperature drops, we see there are highly poisonous toxic foam erupts, while the Aam Aadmi Party also said that the Haryana government is actually poisoning the water, which people of the national capital and also the BJP, the claim was absolutely rejected. In fact, we are expecting the newly elected Chief Minister Rekha Gupta to arrive here shortly, along with other key leaders, Pravesh Verma, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Mr. Sood as well. Everybody will be here to perform the Aarti, and you can see here, this is the Yamuna Ghat that we are reporting from, and hustling and bustling with activity. Definitely the BJP has started to walk the talk, has started to purify the Yamuna. That's something that they have been vouching for. They have been talking about. In Yamuna, Swati is...
Yes, all eyes on the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Rekha Gupta, who's about to reach the Yamuna Ghat, where she's going to offer prayers and also oversee the progress that has been made in the Clean Yamuna mission. Stay on with us, Pradeep and Isha.